Good morning, friends. Today I present you the topic related on trademark, copyright, and a patent. Now, patent, copyright, and trademark is the most important topic for any startups or any multi-billion company. So here are some topics. The overview of the journey means the presentation. The start with the topic is next. The intellectual property right, patents, step for filling patent copyrights or a procedure to registering copyrights, trademark or a trade secret. So the first intellectual property rights. Now, according to the World Intellectual Property Organization, that is WIPO, intellectual property refers to that is creation of minds such as the organization invention means the invention like the architect's work, design, symbols, or names, the image that is in commerce. The intellectual properties divide into the mainly two categories. The first one is the industrial property. That is in industrial property includes the pattern for invention, trademark, or industrial design. And the second is copyright. The copyright refers to the architect's works, films, novels. Now, the rights related to the copyright include producer of phonograms and a broadcasting organization. Next. Now, move on patents. So, what is the patent? The patent is an exclusive right granted for an invention. That means the product or a process that provides any way of doing something or that offers a new technology solution to the problem. Basically, the patent limited monopoly having exclusive rights. The patent provides the patent owner with the protection for their invention for a limited period, that is generally 20 years. The owner may also sell their patents or their rights to someone else who then become the owner of the patent. Once the patent expire, the protection right to someone else who then become uh, who be, means the once the patent expire, the protection ends. The invention may either the public domain, which is called becoming the off patent. Means the public can read this pattern or make something product on the basis of this pattern. Next. There are some criteria for the patents. Means the basic criteria for the invention to be patent as follows. The first one is the invention must be novel. Means invention must be unique, novel, non-obvious, be capable of industrial application or enabling. As per the Patent Act in India, as specified the certain subject matter which aren't eligible for getting patent in India, means those patents we are not getting published or means we cannot patent it. So here some examples, that is invention related to atomic energy, that is physical phenomena or abstract ideas, any aesthetic creation or invention which harm the environment, we cannot patent it. So laws of the nature country to well establish the nature law or a discovery of any living or non-living thing, we cannot patent. Next is now what are the steps to filling the patent? There are some basically steps. The first one is writing down the conceptual idea of invention with the maximum possible details. Means this idea we can uh, This idea we can define by drawings, diagram, sketch, or animation videos, or checking. Third one is the checking if the invention is patentable subject matter. Fourth one is patentability search report. The fifth one is decide whether to go ahead with the patent. Six, draft patent application. Publication of application, request for examination and response, and clearing all objections, if any. Means there are some objections related to pattern, we have to clear it. Now, and the last one is grant of pattern. There are some pattern paper in the next page. These are the paper of pattern. Means this paper is the United States of America. There are some example of the pattern. Next. Now, second topic is copyright. Now, what is the difference between copyright and patent? The first the first way, second slide or third slide, we differentiate. The patent is limited for 20 years, and the copyrights is means the life of the copyright is 50 to 70 years. Now, what is the copyright? The copyright law the grant author, artist, and the other creators protection for their literally and artist creation, generally referred to as a work. Now, basically, a legal right given by the country's law, which granted the exclusive right for its use, the distribution of the original work. Now, no essential requirement of novelty or uniqueness. Means we can see the copyrights topics on YouTube's or etc. etc. The copyrights protects the expression of our idea, not the idea itself. The copyrights protects gives the copyright holder and the exclusive right to copy and modify, distribute, platform, and display the work publicly. Now, normally the length of the copyright is life of author plus 50 to 70 years. Now, the steps of the copyright. Now, copyrights mainly covers the following areas. Means we can what are the areas we can copyrights? Means now musical work, dramatic work, now choreography work, now architectural work, the motion picture, animation videos, other audio visual work. There are some copyright. Now, through the copyright won't include the following things. Now, what are the things that copyright not include? That the first one is the name of product, business of group. Now, we cannot copyright on the name of product and the business of group. Now, catchword, catch, uh, catch graphs, mottos, title of work. We cannot copyright on those things. Now, move on the next slide. Now, the step for the registering a copyright. The first one is the filing procedure that include the submitting the complete detail and the wait for the 30 days of any objection. Second is clearing the objection. If there comes objection, we have to clear it. Third one is examination, and the fourth one is the registration process of copyright. Next. Now the symbol of the copyright is this the circle. The C in the circle, that is the symbol of the copyright. Okay, next. Now trademark. A trademark is the distinctive sign that identifies the certain goods or a service produced or provided by the any individual company. Means trademark is the sign, is the logo, is the name, is the brand name. The trademark is like the brand name, basically a symbol, color, words, design, symbol, sign, perhaps used to identify the particular product and them for the product of the other. Means the trademark means we can see uh, one of the trademark is the Apple. Is the brand name means the eating apple is the symbol of their brand name. It's originally dates back to ancient time when the craftsmen reproduced their signature or its marks on the artist's work or produce of the functional or a practical nature. There are three types of symbol of the trademark. The first one is TM. The intent, the TM means the intent to use the application field for product. The second one is SM, the intent to use the application field for a service related. And the third one is R, the R in the circle. That means the registered trademark. Now there are some steps regarding to trademarks. We move on next slide. Now steps for registering trademark. An application for registration of trademark is filled. First one. The second one is the application must have clear production of the sign field, including color, three-dimensional features, or animation videos. Also, the list of the goods or a service to which sign would apply. Third one is symbol should be a distinctive. It must neither mislead or nor the deceive the customer nor violate the public order. Fourth one is search examination by National Office of check if the rights are granted to order trademark or not. Fifth one is trademark protection varies, but can be renewed identify upon the payment of the corresponding fees. Means the trademark protection very big can be renewed. Means the time is over, we can be renewed identify upon the payment of the current corresponding fees. We can renew it by the payment of the fees. Next. This is the trademark, means the symbol. The symbol is, already know, is the Google sign, the search engine. This is the exam of trademark. Next. There are other different companies who have registered their trademarks, that is Twitter, Adidas, McDonald's, Mastercard, Amazon, H&M, Coca-Cola, Nike, Microsoft, the Apple, again Nike, FedEx, Google, Amazon. There are some multi-billion company who have trademarks. Next. Now moves on the trade secret. It is very important for the any company. The secret. Now one example is we we talk about one example is McDonald's. The McDonald's burger. So how the McDonald's burger will begin or their ingredients. how they makes their means how they makes their raw material, how they utilize, how the ingredients they are used in the McDonald's. There are some secrets. Any confidential business information which provides an enterprise a competitive edge may be considered as a trade secret. The trade secret encompasses a manufacturing or a industrial secret and a commercial secret. Means it is a secret for any manufacturing or a product of commercial of a industrial. The subject matter of trademark secret is usually defined in a broad term and includes sales method, distribution method, consumer's profile, advertising strategy, the list of a supplier and a client, and the manufacturing process or recipes that are unique. There are some secrets. Unlike the copyright trademark pattern, a trade secret isn't registered with a government office to provide the verified public record of any claims to secret. We can copyright trademark and the patent, but we cannot register the trade secret. Means also the unauthorized use to the trade secret by unregistered holder is regarded as a unfair practice or a violation of rights. The best way to secure it to restrict the access to the secret, have an individual sign non-disclose agreement with a person who owns trade secret if any required to know some aspects of the secret. We can better we can better understanding by the video. We can covered in the next slide the trade secret. Next, next. This is the video of the trade secret. આ વિડીયોનો સાઉન્ડ નહીં આવતો કેવલ.
McDonald's brand is valued at $95 billion. Its closest fast food rival is Starbucks, which is worth $17 billion.
Okay, so these are the video to define the ingredients, what are used in their products. So it is the top secret.